Good afternoon, it's your boy Rubio, back at the table with some more cards to unveil for you guys. Today, I am bringing you Topps Chrome Baseball 2025 with Roki Sasaki from the LA Dodgers on the cover. This is my first time opening up this box because this is a new release. I got these from Dick's Sporting Goods. I had to order them. I got 2 boxes. These were 39 bucks a piece, so a little bit over 40 bucks. But before we get into this box, let's say what's up to my boy Blue. What up, Blue? Man, you kind of high up there. I guess you want to get a good vantage point of what these cards look like, huh? Are you good up there or you want to stay there? I guess he wants to stay there. All right, so let's get back to this box here. Like I said, it got Roki Sasaki on the cover here. It's the 2025 Topps Chrome. Let me go ahead and cut this plastic off real quick so we can read what's going on here. There is 28 total cards in the box. There are 7 cards per pack, or 7 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. All right, I opened up 2024. Those were some nice looking cards. I mean, hopefully they keep that going with these here. I think I ordered these probably a month ago, and I just got them in maybe 2 days ago. We have the MLB logo, NBA Players Association. This is some sort of a collection thing. You'll find 4 sepia refractor parallels inside. It is a licensed product by the Major League Baseball. It is an exclusive trading card for the MLB in a complete set. It's a 300 card base set featuring chromium versions of top players from Series 1 and Series 2. We're looking for exclusive sepia refractor parallels per value box. It says keep an eye out for retail exclusive chrome rookie autographs, green refractor parallels, as well as many other vibrant chrome color parallels. Collect chrome rookies from the top 2025 MLB newcomers such as Roki Sasaki, James Wood, Dylan Cruz, Jacob Wilson, and more. Okay, and that's just another picture of the other side of the box. It says build complete special insert sets, 1990s Topps Baseball Future Stars, Fortune 15, and Chrome All Edge. Look for highly limited insert sets, Hobby Masters, Topps Chrome Expose, and Lightning Leaders. Look for super limited autograph versions of select inserts. Without further ado, let's crack this thing open. Get all the cards out. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. So I will set this to the side and let's break open the first pack. Hopefully we get something good in the first pack. That would be cool. Coming out the gate, we have a Yankee, a New York Yankee, Mr. Devin Williams from the New York Yankees. We have Francisco Lindor on the 35th anniversary. That's a nice looking card there. We have Gunnar Henderson. That looks like the wave pattern from the Baltimore Orioles. And we have Marco Luciano from the San Francisco Giants. That's a nice looking card. They all look pretty nice. Let me check if this one is numbered. All right. We'll put that one back, but that one is a nice looking card. Open up the next pack. We have Jackson Churio from the Milwaukee Brewers. We have Hiro Ariete, rookie card. We have Christian Walker, Houston Astros, on the wave or ray pattern. We have Brandon Lockridge, rookie card from the San Diego Padres. And we have our first sepia card, Mr. Jose Altuve. That's a nice looking card. Gives it kind of a retro look. All right, we'll set that one here. Let's see if that one's numbered. It is not. And let me check this wave here. See if that one's numbered. That one is not numbered. Next card, or next pack. We have from the New York Mets, Jeff McNeil. Also from the New York Mets, Francisco Lindor. It's a nice looking card. From the Miami Marlins, Griffin Conine, rookie card. We have Paul Goldschmidt from the New York Yankees. We have another card, Mason Miller from the Oakland Athletics. They might just be the Athletics. In 2028, I think they were saying they're going to move to Vegas. We will see when it happens. Next pack. We have Logan Webb from the San Francisco Giants. Spencer Steer from the Cincinnati Reds. Devin Williams. A nice card from the New York Yankees. Ty France from the Minnesota Twins. Do I get a numbered card on that one? Nope. Still searching for a numbered card or an autograph. All right. We have from the Detroit Tigers, rookie card of Dylan Dingler. All right, we have a future stars, Mr. Ellie De La Cruz. That's a nice looking card. Yeah, that is a nice looking card. We have Nacho Alvarez Jr., rookie card from the Atlanta Braves. And that one is not numbered. We have a Keter Montero rookie card from the Detroit Tigers. We have another sepia card, a rookie, Billy Cook from the Pittsburgh Pirates. That's a nice looking card. We're still on that drought for numbered cards out of this pack, or out of this box. But we're still going. Got 2 packs left. Right. We have Shane McClanahan from the Tampa Bay Rays. We have JT Realmuto from the Philadelphia Phillies. We have Spencer Strider from the Atlanta Braves on the wave. And that one is not numbered. The last one out of this pack, we have Mr. Clayton Kershaw, pitcher for the Dodgers. Okay. Last pack, guys. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. J Rubio on YouTube, J Rubio80 on Instagram, J Rubio80 on TikTok, and just Jamie Rubio on Facebook. All right, last pack. Flip that bad boy around. We have Wyatt Langford from the Texas Rangers. We have Mackenzie Gore from the Washington Nationals. We have Nick Castellanos from the Philadelphia Phillies. We have River Ryan, rookie card from the Los Angeles Dodgers. And last card, we have Jonathan India from the Kansas City Royals. All right. Okay. All right, let's do a quick recap of the cards that we pulled out of the box. We're going to start with our rookie cards here. We have River Ryan. We have Griffin Conan. We have Brandon Lockridge. And we have this guy. Let's see if you can see the name. Yeah, that. If anybody knows how to pronounce that name, leave a comment below. We have Jonathan India, Spencer Strider, Billy Cook, Kinder Martero, Nacho Alvarez Jr. We have the future stars, Ellie De La Cruz, Dylan Dingler, Devin Williams, another sepia card of Mason Miller, a sepia of Jose Altuve, Christian Walker, Gunnar Henderson on the wave, and Francisco Lindor on our 35th anniversary. Okay. And we'll just run through our base cards here. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It is J Rubio on YouTube. Also, I have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So on Instagram, it's JRubio80. It's the same JRubio80 on TikTok. And it's just my name, Jamie Rubio, on Facebook. If you like this type of content, don't forget to share it with others. Invite people to the page. I have a lot of videos that you might enjoy. If there's any particular cards you would like me to open on the channel, shoot me a comment down below or send me a message on Facebook. Those are the two platforms that I usually answer my messages on. Thanks again. I enjoy bringing this type of content to you guys. I hope you guys like it also. Remember, like and subscribe. I put up videos almost every day to try to keep you guys entertained. And it was for my entertainment purposes also, because I like doing it. But without further ado, me and my boy Blue out of here.